What's up guys, you are welcome to today's tutorial. In this video I will show you how to share your post on sharestream and earn on daily basis. Okay, so today is 25th of June. All right, and let's see how to share the post. Okay, so from what you could see here, you could see the total balance. All right, you could see the sharestream earning 950 naira. All right, so just take note of what you see here. So let's get started. So to start sharing, all you need to do is, once you've logged in to your dashboard, okay, then you can click on share stream, okay, or from here you just click on start sharing. So once you click on start sharing, it should take you to the daily post. Okay, so sometimes the daily post might not change, but all you need to do is to just continue to click on it and share it. So what you could do now is click on this place where it says click on the share stream to WhatsApp status to earn both tax. Okay, so once you do that, now I have two WhatsApp running on my phone. Okay, so it depends on the one I actually want it towards I actually want to send it to. So I will just send it to my WhatsApp business. I'll select send and click on the status, then select this. So this is just the post that is there, and select send. So once that is done, which is on my status already, okay, so when you come back to the site, you can see it says congrats on earning on this post WhatsApp stream. So you click OK. So once you do that, then if you go back to your dashboard and scroll down, you see it has increased. The earning the stream earning has actually what increased. So it's as easy as that to share your post, share the stream on daily basis. So assuming I am on the Streamlight Pro, the daily sharing post is 100 naira, but because I'm on the Light Pro, so that is why it is 15 naira. So that is it guys. So what I want to now let you know is by 12 o'clock today is Sunday, I'll be cashing out my refire balance. That is the 8,000 naira you could see here, and for the share stream earning will be withdrawn on the 30th of the month. Okay, so you can only withdraw your refire income every Wednesday and Sundays of every week. That is Tuesday, that is from 12 p.m to 3 p.m. All right guys, thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. One love. Bye for now.